Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Sitting out front enjoying this beautiful weather. It was a hot one today. It's starting to come down a little bit. I'm in warm shade. Earlier this was hot shade, but I think it's cooled off a few degrees. So I decided to shoot this portion of the video outdoors instead of in my air-conditioned home. Now what you're about to see is the LG V20, the LG V30, and the LG G7 going head-to-head on a wide-angle camera shootout, 4.3 aspect ratio. On paper, the LG V20 has a better field of view when it comes to its wide-angle camera than the V30, than the G7. As far as these three devices that I'm using, there are other LG devices that have its wide-angle camera as well, but I'm using the three that I have. And I'm going to tell you something, man. LG does it right when it comes to their wide-angle cameras. Down below in the comment section, leave some feedback after watching the video, which device you think has not just a better field of view, but the better picture overall. Now, in some of these pictures, you can definitely tell the difference, and in some, you can't. There's just a few, but I want you to tell me and others who watch this video down below what you think. What's your opinion? It's not a right or wrong, just an opinion. But I thought it'd be a good idea with these three devices that create a lot of content for me, especially the LG V20, to do a wide-angle camera shootout. Each picture has its own signature on the bottom right-hand corner, so you'll know which device took that picture. I think I'm going to go inside, get some water. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, if you're not part of Team My Project 13, please check out a few videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I've uploaded content for you and others to check out, and share on all your social media. Thank you. Enjoy the Pixel Show, the LG V20, LG V30, LG G7, head-to-head, wide-angle camera shootout.